Stop fighting your fire and start igniting it. We've all been there, staring at a pile of cold charcoal while the guests are waiting and the lighter fluid is making your steak taste like a gas station. It's a rookie move. Today, we're cutting through the noise to look at 5 tumbleweed starters that actually work. I'm breaking down which ones handle the wind, which ones give you the cleanest burn for your food, and which ones are just a waste of space in your kit. If you're ready to get a one-strike fire every single time, let's get into the specs. We start with the Inflame Fire Starters, which represent the gold standard for high-volume daily utility. With 130 pieces per pack, these are engineered for the consistent user, the wood stove owner or the year-round griller. The standout technical feature here is the use of food-grade Dutch wax. This ensures a clean, soot-free burn that won't compromise the porous ceramic lining of high-end pizza ovens or Kamado-style grills. While slightly smaller than some premium rolls, their efficiency in a top-down fire starting method is unmatched for minimizing initial smoke. Moving into specialized ignition, the DIMTORI Fire Starters pivot toward high-performance speed. By utilizing resinous pine wood shavings, DIMTORI taps into natural terpenes that lower the ignition threshold. This makes them significantly more responsive to a match or lighter than hardwood-based alternatives. If you are dealing with charcoal that has absorbed ambient humidity or hardwood that isn't perfectly seasoned, the aggressive initial flame front of the DIMTORI provides the necessary thermal shock to reach self-sustaining combustion. They are the ideal choice for chimney starters, where creating a rapid upward draft is the primary goal. For those facing more kinetic environments, the Trazon Fire Starters are the heavyweight, all-weather performers of the group. These are characterized by a dense, tight roll construction and high wax saturation, resulting in a reliable 10-minute burn time even in 20 miles per hour winds or light drizzle. The Trazon acts as a true survivor's tool because its high density allows it to gasify more slowly and at a higher temperature than looser tumbleweeds. When using these, it is critical to leave a small chimney of space around the starter. This allows the wax vapors to fully oxygenate and throw a larger, more stable flame into your primary fuel source. On the ecological side, the E500 Fire Starter offers a refined, clean plate experience for the outdoor enthusiast. Made strictly from pine and plant-based wax without synthetic binders, the E500 is designed for the purist who is concerned about chemical residue on delicate food items like fish or vegetables. It offers a balanced middle ground, providing a 10-minute burn time that is efficient enough to dry out damp twigs or kindling before transitioning to larger logs. It's a sustainable, reliable choice for the backpacker who needs performance without leaving a chemical footprint in the backcountry. Finally, we have the industry benchmark, Royal Oak Natural Tumbleweeds. While other brands may lean into camping or survival, Royal Oak is engineered specifically for the charcoal chimney and the backyard smoker. These are designed to provide a massive heat spike early in the burn cycle, pushing briquettes to their required 500-degree Fahrenheit ignition point faster than newspaper or lighter fluid. In a side-by-side comparison, a single Royal Oak tumbleweed generates more concentrated BTUs with zero ash flyaway, making it the most efficient way to prep a charcoal bed for long-duration smoking.